Hi everybody, Mrs. BG here. We are at a fantastic swap meet. There's Mr. BG. It is crazy, crazy busy here. So I will try and get some video of the tables, but it's just very packed. So got a little bit of military here. I will do what I can, but it's been pretty fun so far.
I did see the coolest truck too. On the top.
Lots of fun die cast and toys. It's always kind of a fun table. To say hi to the YouTube community?
I did do a press release there.
And so you can see how crazy busy it is. But yeah, this is a real fun table. Let's see, we got some fun things here. A few models. Want to say hi to Louie and Jenna? Hi. All right, well, we'll get what we can.
Yeah. You probably like that.
Lots of fun kits. Got stuff underneath. Crazy. Lots of fun this morning. All right, we found some more fun cars. Let's sneak around here. All right. Also lots of military, but we'll just get what we can. It's kind of fun looking.
Wow.
Lots of fun stuff this morning. We got here when the doors opened, waited in line a little bit, and found some fun stuff. So, pretty productive day. Got some fun sci-fi stuff and a few other things. This looks kind of cool. I was debating that, but then if I judge that section, I can't put a model in it. So I'll just wait for now. But it does look pretty fun. Lots of fun stuff. These delivery sedans are cool. Brian picked up a few kits over here. Lots of fun stuff. This is always a fun table. They've got lots of cool vintage stuff. Let's see what they've got today. Oh, Mr. BG found a really cute Volkswagen.
IMC.
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
Got a Johan.
Oh yeah. I'm surprised Louis has.
All right. This is really cool. Fun kits.
Yeah, look at that one.
Nice. Let's see what we got here. Lots of fun stuff. Very, very cool.
Hey, thanks a lot.
That's kind of fun right there. Interesting kits. Let's get some more of these. Alright.
That's in a plastic bag inside.
Alright. Lots of really, really fun vintage kits over here.
Thank you, sir.
Really great stuff. Oh, don't tell Brian. There's a Herbie. Gonna have to go grab him. He loves Herbie. Interesting to see what he says when he sees that one. Here's another one of our fun tables we like to visit.
Yeah, thank you.
Lots of fun kits. It's a really good selection today. But the challenge has been to not buy too many kits since we're going to N&L East. All right, let's see what we've got over here. Get to that in just a minute. All right.
Scotty's wife.
Lots of fun stuff.
How you doing?
It's nice to meet you finally. How are you?
Oh, a Corvair kit for $15.
Ooh, Brian's found another Corvair kit. I think that's the third one or fourth one we've seen today. So $15, nice. Brian might be going home with another Corvair kit, which is all right. We love Brian and he loves Corvairs, so. All right, we've got another table here we can check out. Lots of fun stuff.
Well, it became a joke because of Mark's Model Market. We were joking around about, that guy coming to all his shows. And I don't know if he's here today. But he is? Yeah. But going around and grabbing stuff. So we started
Fun
calling
bits and
Bernie,
bobs.
Bernie's Bargain Barn, just kind of, three B's versus three
That
M's.
was like about maybe a month ago or something. You mentioned it and there was a kid. I was thinking, man, maybe I need to check into this place. Because I was kind of bummed because Mike's last show.
Some more fun stuff over here. Brian picked up a few small scale kits from this table. First, we've got the Petty's Racing combo. Lots of fun stuff here. Oh, neat.
Yes. How y'all doing? You're the best. Where goes there?
Very cool. Some more car kits. Very cool. Star Wars, of course. A little bit of military. Pretty nice table there.
Lens cap is on.
Fun military stuff.
People actually look.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Fun sci-fi and goofy model kits. Lots of fun.